The road's been sometimes weary and sometimes long. It's always been filled with music and with song. But now it's time for true aging vagabonds. Start living in what is and not what's been. You'll go your own way, I will go mine. Let's raise our glasses one more time and drink one last toast to all lang syne. We'll take a cup of kindness yet.
Think about you all the time. Now you know that you're recalling me, and now I'm going home. If I should become a stranger